Hey, good morning everybody. I'm creating this video because Rich was late to the trailhead and didn't have time to do the starting video. So we're about 3 miles in on auxiliary trail at Daniel Boone. It's absolutely gorgeous here.
Great trail.
And we're having a great time, and we'll get back to you later. Bye.
Hey, good morning everyone. Well, let's see, today is May 12th and we are hiking a trail in Kentucky. It's near a town called Stanton, Kentucky, in a forest preserve called the Daniel Boone Forest Preserve. I think it's a state park, but if you flip the camera around, it's in a creek right now. This beautiful creek goes all the way down there. Real nice. And we are here with the hiking club, the Forest Trails Hiking Club. For today we're looking at doing about 11 miles. And we've been at it for about, I'm guessing about an hour to 2 hours already. I didn't start recording from the beginning because we were kind of late to the hike, so picking it up now. I'm gonna flip the camera around, so well, this is a good shot here. So our first stream crossing.
Careful, sir.
It's a little harder once you get to the creek.
Yeah, get off of that.
The walk across is easy.
Is the other side any easier?
That looks hard.
Those are not the most expensive clothes here.
It doesn't look too bad. And we're back. Well, I was mentioning earlier that we're in the Daniel Boone State Park in Kentucky, and we're seeing a lot of these rock formations in this area. It's really nice. It's really nice. The trail compared to California in the desert, it's like so green here. It's beautiful. So many green trees and plants here. It's unbelievable. Oxygen. You won't need an oxygen machine here. But one thing I have noticed is there's a ton of poison oak everywhere here, and poison ivy. It's prevalent. It's everywhere. And where you get water, like a stream, the poison oak is just everywhere. So I've been watching out for that because I was once infected with poison oak and it was not a happy thing. Hey, coming. What? Yeah, Stairway to Heaven. And she's climbing the stairway to heaven. Okay. All right, we'll pick it up later. I'll flip it so you can see the stairs I was just singing about. Kind of like the stairs at Starved Rock in Illinois. Yeah, beautiful green forest. All right, we'll pick it up later. Hey guys, we are back, and I just wanted to show you this natural bridge, an arch, as it were, here on the trail. I'll flip the camera around so you can take a look at it. That's just a piece of rock up there, going across this trail.
Oh, this breeze is like wonderful. My back is cold now. Oh,
Wow, I can't believe it's 11:30 already. It's 11:40. But yeah, this is a big
We
rock.
started hiking at almost 10, Rich.
Uh-huh. That's true.
and how many miles has it been?
We've already gone 3.86.
That's it?
That's it.
Holy.
Yeah, that's 4. Hey guys, I am near that arch that I showed you earlier, but I came around the backside of it, and this is what it looks like on the backside. I just walked around this little path here. You can see where the path goes. It goes back to where we were. Let me flip the camera around. There you go. So I followed this little trail here, and I came around this big rock where that archway was at, and came up to here. Stopped right here, and the trail I can't go any further on the trail this way. So, but look at this. It goes straight down for about 200 and something feet. And here's the top of that archway. Isn't it crazy? Gives me the willies to look down there. Anyway, I'm going to walk back to where we were sitting under the archway, the bridge. Some of this graffiti up here dates back to like the 1960s, 70s, possibly even the 1950s. It's a natural rock bridge. You're good.
When no one's around, you don't always get that.
Were you guys with us when we went to Shawnee and everybody got kicked?
I didn't go with the group because there's going to be that many. That's one of the worst places.
But we went in November. We didn't have
famous. I mean, I'm serious.
November's different than